Inception, the Ford Motor Company, founded by Henry Ford on June 16, 1903 in Dearborn, Michigan, revolutionized the automobile industry. Henry Ford's vision was to make automobiles affordable for the average American by implementing assembly line production techniques. In 1908, Ford introduced the iconic Model T, which became immensely popular for its affordability and reliability, making car ownership accessible to millions. Early success: Henry Ford's implementation of the assembly line process dramatically reduced production costs and time. This innovation not only made the Model T affordable, but also set the standard for mass production in the automotive industry. By 1913, Ford's factories were producing nearly half of all cars in the United States. Ford's success extended beyond manufacturing. In 1914, the company introduced a $5 daily wage for its factory workers, which was double the prevailing wage at the time. This move not only improved the living standards of Ford employees, but also set a precedent for labor practices in the industry. Current status: today, Ford remains one of the world's leading automakers. The company has diversified its lineup to include a wide range of vehicles, from the best-selling F-Series trucks to electric vehicles like the Mustang Mach-E. Ford's commitment to innovation is evident in its pursuit of electric and autonomous vehicle technologies. Ford's recent partnership with Google, announced in 2021, aims to enhance customer experiences by leveraging Google's expertise in data, artificial intelligence, and cloud computing. Ford's market cap is currently estimated to be $40.7 billion, making it the world's 342nd most valuable company. While facing challenges in an evolving automotive landscape, Ford continues to adapt and invest in sustainable transportation solutions, reaffirming its position as an industry leader.